Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access display. After that, scroll down again and tap on easy mode. Lastly, hit the gray sweater next to it to activate it. And go back. As you can see, easy mode is now on. To go back to the standard one, access exactly the same settings. And click on now blue sweater next to easy mode feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!